Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're watching this in 2025 and struggling to send photos or pictures on Messenger, don't worry, I've got you covered. This common issue can stem from app glitches, permissions problems, or even simple connectivity hiccups. In this quick guide, we'll walk through easy, step-by-step fixes that should get you back to sharing those memories in no time. Let's dive in. First off, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal is often the culprit. Open another app that requires internet, like your browser, and see if it loads properly. If not, restart your router or switch networks. Once that's sorted, open Messenger and try sending a photo again. Next, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. In 2025, apps evolve quickly with new features and bug fixes, so head to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for updates. Install any available ones, then restart the app. Now, let's talk permissions. Messenger needs access to your camera and storage to send photos. Go to your phone's settings, find the Apps section, select Messenger, and ensure that camera and storage permissions are turned on. If they're off, toggle them on and give it another shot. Another effective fix is clearing the app's cache. Cached data can build up and cause conflicts. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. iOS users might need to offload the app or restart their device to achieve a similar effect. After clearing, relaunch Messenger and test sending a photo. If that doesn't work, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary software issues. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and once it's back up, open Messenger again. As a last resort, especially if you're on an older device, consider reinstalling Messenger. Uninstall the app from your settings, then download and install the latest version from the App Store. This wipes out any corrupted files while keeping your chats intact. There you have it. Straightforward steps to fix Messenger's photo sending woes in 2025. If these tips help, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below, and remember, tech troubles are temporary. Stay connected and keep sharing. Thanks for watching.